Hi. The recently introduced Rokuhan Shorty chassis, a small Z-gauge, very short wheelbase mechanism, available at a very reasonable price, has caused a lot of interest among Z-gauge modelers in the NM community, as well as the HOF guys who are starting to look at it quite seriously. In this video I'm going to look at a body shell that Stonysmith's done on Shapeways for an open window switcher that looks particularly like a Great Eastern 70 tonner. I built two to run on Republic Steel in Cuyahoga, and it's a quick build followed by a shot of a couple of them running.